Chapter 2 Polynomials. Exercise 2.2. Question number first. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. First part given x raised to power 2 minus 2x minus 8 is equal to zeros. Product of first and last is equal to minus 8x square. Prime factorization of 8 is equal to 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. X raised to power 2 minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. We find the zeros of quadratic equation. X is taking common and in bracket x minus 4. X minus 4 in bracket plus 2 is common is equal to 0. X plus 2 one time, x minus 4 one time equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 2. And x minus 4 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 4, positive 4. Verification. Verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Let alpha is equal to minus 2 and beta is equal to 4. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b upon a. This implies alpha is minus 2 and beta is 4. Value of a, comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Value of a in this equation is equal to 1, coefficient of x square, and coefficient of x, that is value of b. B is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 8. We get the value of a, b and c. Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Minus b is minus 2 and a is 1. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 and minus plus 2 is equal to 2, hence verified. And product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta, that is c upon a. Alpha into beta, alpha is equal to minus 2, beta is equal to 4, and c upon a, value of c is minus 8 and value of a is 1. Minus 8 is equal to minus 8, hence verified. Given polynomial is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, and we find the zeros of this polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Product of first and last is equal to minus 8x square, and we are splitting minus 8x square that is minus 4x plus 2x. Product of minus 4x and 2x is equal to minus 8x square, and minus 4x plus 2x, that is equal to minus 2x. X is taking common, x minus 4 in bracket, x minus 4 in bracket 2 is taking common, is equal to 0. X plus 2 one time, x minus 4 one time equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0 means x equal to minus 2, and x minus 4 equal to 0 means x is equal to positive 2. And in quadratic polynomial, a is equal to 1, ax square. Quadratic polynomial comparing ax square plus bx plus c. So we get the value of a is equal to x square. Coefficient of x square a is equal to 1. Coefficient of x b is equal to minus 1, minus 2. And coefficient of constant, that is value of c, minus 8. So we get the value of a, b, c. And verification, let alpha is equal to minus 2, beta equal to 4. Sum of zeros alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Its formula. Minus b upon a means minus b is minus 2, that will be minus minus positive 2, and 4 minus 2 is also 2, hence verified. Product of zeros alpha into beta equal to c upon a, its formula, but c is minus 8, a is 1, minus 8 upon 1, that is minus 8, and product of minus 2 and 4, that is equal to minus 8, hence verified. Question number first, second part. 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 0. We find the zeros of given quadratic polynomial. Product of first and last. Product of first and last is equal to 4s square. And we are splitting by middle term, 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1 equal to 0. We are splitting minus 4s equal to minus 2s minus 2s. Product of minus 2x minus 2s equal to 4s square, and their sum is equal to minus 4s. We are taking common 2s in bracket 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1 minus 1 is common equal to 0. 2s minus 1 one time and 2s minus 1 one time is equal to 0. 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. 2s is equal to 1 and s is equal to 1 upon 2. Similarly, 2s is 1, s is equal to 1 upon 2. And s equal to 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Let verification. Let alpha is equal to 1 upon 2 and beta is equal to 1 upon 2. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, equal to minus b upon a. We are comparing this quadratic polynomial in ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get the value of a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 1. This implies alpha is 1 upon 2, beta is 1 upon 2 and minus b is minus 4 divided by minus b upon a is 4. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is equal to 1, or 2 upon 2, and 4 upon 4. This is cancel, 1, 1. 1 is equal to 1, and product of zeros also alpha into beta equal to c upon a. Alpha is 1 upon 2 into beta is 1 upon 2 and c is 1, a is equal to 4. So 1 upon 4 equal to 1 upon 4, hence verified. Given quadratic polynomial is 4s square minus 4s plus 1 equal to 0. And we are splitting by middle term, 4s square multiplied by 1, that is 4s square, its product. And we are splitting minus 4s is minus 2s minus 2s. Product of minus 2s is 4s square, and sum of minus 2s is equal to minus 4s. We are taking common 2s and in bracket 2s minus 1 in bracket, and minus 1 is common equal to 0. 2s minus 1 first time, 2s minus 1 first time is equal to 0. Second time is equal to 0. 2s minus 1 is 0, 2s is 1, s is 1 upon 2. And similarly 2s minus 1 equal to 0, 2s is 1, but s equal to 1 upon 2. Verification, let alpha is 1 by 2, beta is 1 by 2, and sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, equal to minus b upon a. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 2 is 1, and minus b upon a. Minus into value of b is minus 4, that will be positive 4 upon 4 and equal to 1. 2 upon 2 equal to 1. Left hand side, right hand side. And product of zeros, alpha into beta equal to c upon a. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4, equal to value of c is 1 and value of a is 4. C upon a is 1 upon 4. Left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. Third part, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x equal to 0. We find the zeros of given polynomial and write in 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. It's a quadratic polynomial and we are splitting by middle term. Product of first and last equal to minus 18x square. And we are splitting minus 7x. 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 9x plus 2x, 9 minus 2, that is minus 7x. And product of 9x and 2x equal to 9 2s are 18 minus 18x square. And taking common 3x in this quadratic polynomial, 2x minus 3 in bracket. 2x minus 3 in bracket plus 1 is common is equal to 0, and 3x plus 1, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Three x plus 1 equal to 0, 3x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 1 upon 3. and 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to shifting 3 right side, that will be positive, and x is equal to 3 divided by 2. And verification, let alpha is equal to minus 1 upon 3 and beta is equal to 3 upon 2. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b upon a. And in this quadratic polynomial, a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to minus 3. Value of a, b, and c. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing with this polynomial, value of a is equal to 6, b is equal to minus 7, and c is equal to minus 3. This implies alpha plus beta, that is minus 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2, equal to minus b minus into minus 7 divided by a is equal to 6. Cross multiplying 2 multiplying by minus 1, that is minus 2, plus 3 3s are 9, divided by 6, equal to minus minus plus 7 upon 6. 9 minus 2 is 7 upon 6 is equal to 7 upon 6, hence verified. And product of zeros, alpha into beta equal to c upon a. Alpha is minus 1 by 3 and beta is 3 by 2 is equal to value of c, we have minus 3, and value of a, we have 6. This is cancelled, 3 2s are 6, and 3 3 is cancelled. Minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. Given quadratic polynomial is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x equal to 0. We can write it as 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. It's a quadratic form. And we are splitting by middle term. Product of first and last is minus 18x square. And we are split minus 7x, that is equal to minus 9x plus 2x. Product of 9x and 2x is 18x square minus 18x square, and 9x plus 2x minus 9x plus 2x equal to minus 7x. We are taking common 3x and in bracket 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 in bracket, but 1 is common, is equal to 0. 1 0, 3x plus 1 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. 3x plus 1 equal to 0 means 3x equal to negative 1, x equal to minus 1 upon 3. And 2x minus 3 equal to 0 means 2x equal to positive 3, but x equal to positive 3 upon 2. In quadratic polynomial 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0, we are comparing this polynomial in ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. we get the value of A is equal to 6, B is equal to -7 and C is equal to -3. Verification alpha is equal to -1/3. Let alpha is -1/3, beta is equal to 3/2, and sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, -1/3 plus 3/2, 2 1 are 2, 3 3 are 9, and 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 upon 6, and minus b is minus time of 7, minus is plus, that is 7 upon 6, left hand side, right hand side. Product of zeros is alpha into beta is equal to C upon A. Alpha is -1/3 and beta is equal to 3/2. 3 is cancelled. Minus value of C is -3 upon A is 6, and this is 3 2s are 6, -1/2, 3 is cancelled, -1/2. Left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. Question number first, fourth part. 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. 4u is common, but u plus 2 in bracket equal to 0. 4u equal to 0 means u equal to 0, and u plus 2 is equal to 0 means u is equal to -2. Verification. Let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to -2. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta equal to -b upon a, and we are comparing this quadratic polynomial equal to ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, au square plus bu plus c equal to 0. A is equal to 4, B is equal to 8, and C is equal to 0. Alpha is 0 and beta is equal plus -2 minus B, that is -8 divided by A is 4. This is cancelled, -2. But -2 is equal to -2. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, and product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta equal to C upon A. Alpha is 0 multiplied by beta is -2, that is equal to value of C, we have 0 divided by A is 4. 0 equal to 0, hence verified. Given quadratic polynomial is 4u square plus 8u equal to 0. We are taking common 4u and in bracket u plus 2 equal to 0. 4u equal to 0 means u equal to 0. And u plus 2 equal to 0, then we get the value of u is equal to -2. Verification. Let alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to -2. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta equal to -b upon a. Alpha is 0, beta is -2, -2 plus 0 is -2, and -b minus value of b is 8 divided by value of a is 4 and 8 divides 4 minus 2 time. So left hand side equal to right hand side, and product of zeros alpha into beta equal to C upon A. C is alpha is 0 into beta is minus 2. Product of 0 multiplied by something that is 0, and value of C is 0. 0 divides A, that will be 0. Left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. Question number first, fifth part. T square minus 15 is equal to 0, and we can write it as t square minus under root of 15 and raised to power 2. Root square is cancelled. 15 can be write root 15 square equal to 0, and a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. A is t and b is root 15. T minus root 15 and t plus root 15 equal to 0. T is equal to negative root 15, shifting right side, that will be positive root 15, and t is equal to minus root 15, shifting right side, that will be negative root 15. Verification. Let alpha is equal to root 15 and beta is equal to under root 15 negative root 15. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Alpha is root 15, beta is minus root 15 equal to value of minus b. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 15. This quadratic polynomial can be written as t square plus 0 into t minus 15 equal to 0. And we are comparing this quadratic polynomial with ax, a t square plus b t plus c equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 multiplied by t, that is 0, and value of b is equal to 0, and c equal to minus 15. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b, 0. Value of b is 0 upon a is 1. So 0 equal to 0. Root 15 minus root 15, that will be 0, and 0 divided by something, that will be 0. Left hand side equal to right hand side, hence verified. And product of zeros, alpha into beta equal to c upon a. Under root 15 into minus under root 15 equal to value of c is minus 15 and a is 1. Product of root 15 minus root 15, that is minus root 15 square minus under root 15 square equal to minus 15. Root square is cancelled. Minus 15 left side, minus 15 right side, hence verified. given t square minus 15 equal to 0 and t square minus 15 can be write root 15 square. Root square equal to 0. A square minus b square can be write a minus b a plus b. A is equal to t, b is equal to root 15. A minus b into a plus b is equal to 0. T is equal to positive 15 and t is equal to negative root 15. T equal to positive root 15 and t equal to negative root 15. Verification, let alpha is root 15, beta is minus root 15 and sum of zeros alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Root 15 minus root 15 is 0 and value of, we are comparing this equation with a t square plus b t plus c equal to 0. We get the value of a is 1, b is 0 into t, that will be 0, value of b is 0 and value of c is minus 15. 0 divided by b up minus b upon a means 0 upon 1, that is 0. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Product of zeros means alpha into beta, that is equal to c upon a. Root 15 into minus root 15 minus root 15 square. 15 root square is cancelled but minus 15 and c upon a, value of c is minus 15 and value of a is 1, but minus 15 upon 1, that will be negative 15. So left hand side, right hand side are equal, hence verified. Question number first, sixth part. Three x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0 and it's a quadratic polynomial and we are splitting by middle term, so product of first and last is equal to minus 12x square and 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. X is common, 3x minus 4 in bracket and 3x minus 4 in bracket plus 1 is common equal to 0. X plus 1 and 3x minus 4 equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 1. And 3x minus 4 is equal to 0 means 3x is equal to, shifting right side 4 will be positive and x is equal to 4 upon 3. Verification, let alpha is equal to minus 1 and beta is equal to 4 upon 3. Sum of zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. And we are comparing this quadratic polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c and get the value of a is 3, b is minus 1, value of c is minus 4. This implies alpha plus beta minus 1 plus 4 upon 3. Alpha is minus 1, beta is 4 upon 3. That is equal to minus b upon a. Minus minus 1 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, minus 3 plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. That will be positive 1 upon 3 is equal to 1 upon 3. Left hand side equal to right hand side. So product of zeros alpha into beta equal to C upon A. Minus 1 into 4 upon 3 is equal to value of C is minus 4 and value of A is 3. Minus 4 upon 3 equal to minus 4 upon 3. Hence verified. Given quadratic polynomial 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0 and we are splitting by middle term. Minus 4x into 3x, that is minus 12x square, and minus 4x plus 3x, that is minus x. We are taking common in x, but in bracket 3x minus 4 and 3x minus 4 in bracket 1 is common, equal to 0. X plus 1 one time, 3x minus 1 one time equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0 means x equal to negative 1, and 3x minus 4 equal to 0 means 3x equal to, shifting right side, that will be positive 4 and x equal to 4 upon 3. Verification, let alpha equal to minus 1 and beta is equal to 4 upon 3. Sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a. Alpha is minus 1 plus beta is 4 upon 3, that is equal to minus b. We are comparing this quadratic polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Comparing this with, we get the value of a is 3, b is minus 1, c is minus 4. Minus b upon a, that minus that will be positive 1 upon 3, and cross multiplying 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3 is 1 upon 3. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the product of zeros alpha into beta, that is equal to C upon A. Alpha is minus 1 multiply by 4 upon 3. Value of beta is 4 upon 3. 4 ones are minus 4 upon 3, and value of C is minus 4. Value of A is 3. Minus 4 upon 3 is equal to minus 4 upon 3. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence verified. Thank you so much.